general. I do. It never goes straight.
And it's like once it finally turns straight, it's like too late.
Perfect for a minute. Yeah. How are you guys supposed to do this if you go by yourself?
We've done it before a couple of times.
Have you really? Are you driving
It's
it out?
nerve-wracking. Yes. It's nerve-wracking, I tell you what.
Oh my gosh, that's one of those husband and wife moments.
I know.